This rare basic double-story bungalow house with a huge land size of 8,288 square feet selling at 7.5 million is located at the prime location of TTDI, which is in Athinahapan. The area is peaceful and with a good security service. There's only total of 50 bungalow houses with extra land size in Athinahapan gated and guarded area, inclusive of the corner bungalow houses here. The standard bungalow land size here is 6,000 square feet. What I like the most about the house is flat line layout and the garden space. If you are familiar about the Athinahapan area, the bungalow houses with flat line layout are very limited in the area. The flat line layout is offering a flexibility to renovate the house and is elderly friendly. The garden space of the house has offering a huge outdoor living space for a big gardening in order for you to enjoy the nature here. A well-maintained garden can enhance the beauty of the house and providing a peaceful environment. The house condition is basic and the owner has moved out from the house 10 years ago. The reason why the house has been vacant for so long is because the owner wants the son to inherit the house, but the son has decided to settle down in another country. The house is ideal for a buyer who is looking for a basic house to rebuild based on their individual preference and lifestyle priorities. Looking for a bungalow house with huge garden space and good security service, I think this house might be the one you are looking for. Want to find out more? Don't forget to head to our website to check out our latest TTDI listing. See you next Thursday for my new video.